Something big is coming, and no, I'm not talking about the latest meme coin or some shady pump and dump. I'm talking about what could be the most explosive bull run in crypto history, the one that could turn small portfolios into life-changing money. 2025 is shaping up to be a perfect storm for the crypto market. The Bitcoin halving will have already happened, institutional investors are piling in, regulations are slowly taking shape, and new technologies are creating opportunities we've never seen before. But here's the thing, a bull run is not just about everything going up. It's about knowing where the money will flow first, which trends will dominate, and which projects will lead the charge. That's what separates people who just make a little profit from the ones who truly cash in. So today, I'm going to walk you through my predictions for the 2025 bull run, from which coins could lead the market, to the trends that could take off, to the risks you need to watch out for. And trust me, some of these predictions might surprise you. Prediction 1. Bitcoin will hit a new all-time high and keep climbing. Let's start with the obvious one, Bitcoin. Every bull run in history has been led by Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, and I think 2025 will be no different. After the 2024 halving, the supply of new Bitcoin entering the market is cut in half. Combine that with increasing demand from institutional investors, ETFs, and even big corporations adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, and you have a recipe for a price explosion. In previous cycles, Bitcoin's price didn't just double after the halving, it went 5 times, 10 times, even more in some cases. If history repeats itself, we could be looking at Bitcoin breaking past $100,000 and maybe even aiming for $150,000 or more by late 2025. But here's the catch, Bitcoin might not be the biggest percentage gainer. It's the safest bet, yes, but the real action will be in the altcoins once Bitcoin has made its move. Prediction 2. Ethereum will dominate DeFi and beyond. If Bitcoin is the king of store of value, Ethereum is the king of utility. And in 2025, I believe Ethereum will solidify its position as the foundation of decentralized finance, NFTs, and much of Web3. Ethereum's upgrade to proof of stake and layer 2 scaling solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and ZK Sync have made transactions faster and cheaper. That means more developers can build without worrying about crazy gas fees. In the bull run, I expect Ethereum to push past its previous all-time high of around $4,800 and potentially break $10,000. But more importantly, I think Ethereum will be the backbone for new innovations, especially in areas like tokenized real-world assets, decentralized gaming economies, and AI-powered smart contracts. Prediction 3. The Altcoin Supercycle will return. Here's where things get exciting. Once Bitcoin breaks new highs, the spotlight usually shifts to altcoins. In previous bull runs, altcoins have done 5x, 10x, even 50x gains in a matter of months. In 2025, I predict we'll see a massive altcoin supercycle, but not every altcoin will pump. The winners will be the ones tied to real trends and adoption. Layer 1 blockchains like Solana, Avalanche, and Aptos could see massive growth if they keep attracting developers. Layer 2 solutions like Polygon and Arbitrum could also explode as Ethereum adoption grows. Then there's the AI crypto sector coins like SingularityNet, and Render could benefit from the AI boom. Metaverse and gaming tokens like the Sandbox and Gala might make a comeback as the hype returns. The key? Focus on projects that have a strong community, a working product, and clear real-world use cases. The days of random coins pumping for no reason are fading. People want substance now. Prediction 4. Institutional money will flood the market. This is one of the biggest differences between the last bull run and the upcoming one institutional adoption. In 2021, we saw a few big names enter Crypto Tesla, MicroStrategy, and a handful of hedge funds. But in 2025, I think it's going to be on a whole different scale. Spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US have opened the door for big investment firms to pour billions into Bitcoin. And once they're comfortable with Bitcoin, guess what? They'll start looking at Ethereum, Solana, and other large-cap cryptos. Pension funds, sovereign wealth funds, and Fortune 500 companies could all allocate small percentages of their holdings to crypto, and even a 1% allocation from these giants would mean trillions entering the market. Prediction 5. AI and blockchain. will merge in a big way. AI is the hottest tech trend right now, and blockchain is the perfect partner for it. In 2025, I think we'll see a wave of AI-powered crypto projects making headlines. Why? Because blockchain can provide decentralized access to AI tools, protect data privacy, and even verify AI-generated content. Projects like SingularityNet, Ocean Protocol, and Fetch.ai are already working on this. And in the bull run, anything tied to I will likely see huge investor interest. Imagine a world where you can rent AI computing power through a decentralized network, no big tech company middleman, no censorship, just peer-to-peer AI services. That's the future these projects are building. Prediction 6. Gaming and the Metaverse will come back strong. Yes, the Metaverse hype cooled down after 2022, but technology moves in cycles, and I think 2025 will be the year gaming and Metaverse projects make a serious comeback. Games that actually deliver fun gameplay, not just play-to-earn mechanics, will start attracting both gamers and investors. Projects like Immutable X, Gala Games, and The Sandbox could thrive if they release polished products during the bull run. I also think we'll see big brands launch virtual experiences inside these worlds, creating new revenue streams and driving adoption. Prediction 7. Real-world assets will be tokenized. This one might sound boring compared to meme coins, but it could be huge. Tokenization means taking real-world things like real estate, stocks, bonds, even art, and turning them into digital tokens on the blockchain. This makes them easier to trade, easier to fractionalize, and more accessible to people around the world. Big financial players like BlackRock are already experimenting with tokenized funds. In 2025, I predict we'll see billions of dollars in real-world assets move on to blockchain networks. And the coins powering those platforms like Ethereum, Polygon, and Avalanche will benefit directly. Prediction 8. Meme coins will have another crazy run, but be careful. Let's be real, meme coins aren't going away. In every bull run, we see a wave of hype coins go insane, making overnight millionaires, and then crashing just as fast. In 2025, I expect another meme coin season, but I think it'll be shorter and more brutal than before. Coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu will likely see spikes, and we'll probably get a few new ones going viral on social media. If you play in this space, treat it like a casino. Take profits fast and never put in money you can't afford to lose. Prediction 9. Regulations will shape the market and create winners. Regulation is the big question mark for crypto. But I think by 2025, we'll have more clarity in the US, Europe, and parts of Asia. Clear rules could bring more institutional money in, but they could also kill off projects that can't comply. The winners will be projects that are compliant, transparent, and willing to work with regulators. That means more legitimacy, fewer scams, and more mainstream adoption. Prediction 10. This will be the most global bull run yet. Crypto has always been global, but in 2025, I think adoption will truly spread everywhere. Countries in Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America are embracing crypto for payments, remittances, and savings. This means new user bases, new markets, and more demand for coins that solve real problems. How to prepare for the 2025 bull run. Predictions are fun, but they're useless if you don't take action. If you want to benefit from the 2025 bull run, you need to start preparing now. Research projects early. Build a portfolio you can hold through volatility. Take profits along the way. Stay updated on market trends and news. The worst thing you can do is wait until the bull run is in full swing. By then, the easy gains are already gone. The 2025 bull run won't be like any we've seen before. It will be bigger, faster, and more global, with new technologies and new money flowing in from everywhere. Some coins will go to the moon, others will disappear forever. The difference between winning and losing will come down to preparation, research, and discipline. So get ready now. Because when the next bull run starts, you won't have time to catch your breath. You'll either be riding the wave or watching it pass you by. So here's the bottom line. 2025 could be the year that changes everything in crypto. We're talking about new all-time highs, massive altcoin runs, AI taking over blockchain, and money flowing in from every corner of the world. But remember, the market will reward the prepared, not the panicked. Don't just sit back and watch other people's portfolios explode. Do your homework, position yourself smartly, and ride the trends before they become headlines. Because in this bull run, fortunes will be made and just as easily lost. The question is, which side of that story will you be on? Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll go even deeper into the coins and sectors I'm personally watching for 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.